Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to beat Vulcan in solo leveling Arise. First, make sure your character is at least at a recommended level and that your gear is upgraded. Fire resistance gear and potions are very useful in this fight, so equip them if you have them. When the fight starts, keep your distance and watch his attack patterns. Vulcan often slams the ground or swings his weapon in a wide arc. Both moves have clear animations, so dodge to the side as soon as you see him raise his arm. Do not stay too close for too long, because his short-range combos deal heavy damage. Focus on hit-and-run tactics. After he finishes an attack, there is a short window where he is vulnerable. Use your strongest skills during this time, then retreat before he recovers. If you are using a ranged character, maintain distance and keep applying pressure while staying mobile. Vulcan sometimes powers up and surrounds himself with flames. When this happens, back away immediately and wait until the flames fade. Rushing in during this phase will almost always result in taking huge damage. Keep an eye on your stamina so you always have enough to dodge. Healing items should be used carefully, ideally right after you dodge a big attack, so you have time to recover safely. Remember, survival is more important than rushing to repair damage. Take your time, and you will beat him. Thanks for watching.